****. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva, a fantastic online design platform. The first thing you need to do is head over to canva.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, it's free and easy to set up. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and select the YouTube thumbnail template. This ensures your design fits perfectly with YouTube's requirements. Now, let's choose a background for our thumbnail. You can either upload your own image or choose from Canva's extensive library of backgrounds. Make sure it's relevant to your video content and eye-catching to grab viewers' attention. Next, it's time to add text. Click on the Text tab, choose a font that matches your branding, and type in a compelling title for your video. Keep it concise and readable, even at a smaller size. To make your thumbnail more engaging, consider adding relevant images or icons that represent your video content. You can search for these in Canva's image library or upload your own. Now, let's customize. Play around with the layout, colors, and sizes until you're happy with how everything looks. Don't be afraid to experiment. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your thumbnail. Click on the Download button, select your preferred file format, JPEG or PNG, and save it to your computer. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a professional-looking YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Remember, a great thumbnail can significantly boost your video's click-through rate, so it's worth investing some time into making it stand out. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.